How do chiropractic adjustments help relieve whiplash injury? Typically in a whiplash injury, when you have the ligaments and tendons that are strained or torn, you'll get the misalignments of the spine. So what we want to do is we want to make sure we line the spine up correctly. So when the ligaments and tendons heal, you heal with a nice straight spine, not a crooked and abnormally functioning spine. So that's how chiropractic adjustments will help you in recovery of your whiplash injury. My name is Dr. Neil Langschied, and I'm a chiropractor in Jeffersontown, Kentucky.